Hello, I am the stock options hero, and from here on out, I'm going to share with you stock options secrets that only the most successful option traders know. In my videos, you are going to see my secret options trading system that only a handful of people know. And as I'm sure you're well aware of by now, options trading can be very lucrative. However, most options traders are not consistently successful, or even worse, lose money trading stock options. Trading stock options can be a high probability trade if done properly. Let me show you. Now, each day I will record a video where I play simulated options trades. So subscribe to my channel and watch my videos daily to learn how you too can be a successful stock options trader. Disclaimer: these videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute a recommendation to buy or sell any securities or stock options. Before I dive into today's stock options video, I have a small favor to ask. If you like this video or any of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will see my videos as soon as they are posted. This way, you won't miss out on any paper trading ideas. Tell me in the comments section which option trades you are looking at paper trading, and if you're lucky, I might do analysis on a ticker symbol from the comments section. All right, let's leap into today's video. Welcome to another exciting video of Zero DTE Options Strategy, brought to you by me, the Stock Options Hero. Oh yeah, let's leap into it. All right, so I had my first big loss on SPX, the 41.85, 41.90 bear call spread expired in the money. So I took the loss. So since the strikes were 5 wide, that's $500 times 10 contracts. So $5,000. And then you would subtract the amount of credit I received for putting on that trade. So I think it was around 1,500, right? So I took a $3,500 loss. Now, I've been analyzing it, and I figured out what I did wrong. Number one, I did not monitor the trade throughout the trading day. So let's switch to the platform and the chart. So this was the day. So SPX had traded up here, and this is about the time I stopped watching it, where it's trading around 41.70. And I'm like, what are the chances that my short strike will be breached? I went on a nature hike, and I didn't have access to the internet to check my position. Had I checked it, I probably would have rolled it around this candle. So I would have rolled my 41.85, 41.90 spread to the following day, and I would have taken in additional credit and would not have taken that loss. And then I would have had to roll it again, just because of how bullish SPX has been. So for that reason, I'm like, why was I so wrong on my analysis? And I had violated one of my biggest trading rules. See, even someone like myself with close to 15 years of options trading experience makes mistakes, right? So that's something you just have to accept and live with. I went short when when my slow stochastic had crossed and started heading higher, right? So I had a bullish indicator or bullish indication on my slow stochastic, as well as MACD was crossing to the upside. So both MACD and stochastic were showing me most likely a bullish move. So I should have, in hindsight, only been taking on bullish spread trades. So 517 would have been so SPX it's been trading around the mean. So looking at MACD and stochastic, right? If I were only looking to put on bullish trades, I would have looked to the MACD and the stochastic right here where my cursor is. So just zooming in so it's easier to see. You're not seeing the candles, but you could have looked to put on a bull put spread around here. And I probably would have liked to put on say a 41.45, 41.40, depending on where the delta was. And instead, I did a bear call spread, which then failed because of the bullish direction of SPX. Now, also, I ignored the upward trend of SPX, and for my mean reversion strategy, you always want to trade with the prevailing trend in mind. So I violated a number of rules, and as a result, I got punished for it. So I'm also looking at only trading 0 DTE options intraday and not holding overnight. Because if you're wrong in your assumption when holding overnight and you have some major news announcement, you have literally 0 days or maybe 1 day for SPX to reverse course. And in this case, where we had significant news come out that was very bullish, there's a strong rally and my bearish spread failed. So if I was trading with the prevailing trend, which is up, I would have put the bull put spread on here, around the 41.45 level strike. So 41.45, 41.40, and I would have been just fine, right? and I would have only done that intraday and captured, say, a 10% return on capital. So remember the saying, pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered. And if you wanted to play extremes, you could have waited for SPX to be right here, right? See how MACD crossed and headed lower? Stochastic leads the MACD, so stochastic would have gotten entry right here. MACD would have confirmed it right here. So if you did a bear call spread right around here, you probably could have done like a 42.30, 42.35, and would have been just fine. My problem is I'm so busy, I don't have the ability to sit and watch 0 DTE options intraday. So for that reason, I'm leaning towards the 45 DTE options strategy, but I'm not giving up on it for the 30-day series that I'm currently recording for it. But long term, I'm currently leaning towards the 45 DTE as it is more forgiving and less time intensive, at least on an intraday basis. So the good news is looking at SPX on the daily time frame, it will most likely trade back down to this level of support around 41.70. So my existing 41.60, 41.65 call will hopefully expire out of the money on Monday or Tuesday. Plus, I continue to capture some additional credit when I roll it. But in hindsight, had I just not rolled it a few days ago, it would have expired out of the money and I would not need to roll it. I think it was on this day. Was it? Yeah. It was just really close for comfort. I think it closed at like 41.58, 60.84 or something. So, 0 DTE option strategies are great for quick money, but conversely, it also makes a case for quick losses. So, I would only suggest you actively trade 0 DT option strategies if you can monitor it throughout the trading day, which, that being the case, in my opinion, is far more time intensive than the 45 DTE. Yes, the 45 DTE option strategy is more work in finding underlying securities to write credit spreads on, but you don't have to monitor or babysit them like you do the 0 DTE option strategies. So, I'm sorry for not putting a video out yesterday. It was a very busy day for me, but I thought I would record a video today to kind of give you an update on my thoughts of what went wrong and modify my 0 DTE option strategy rules. And so moving forward for the remainder of these 30 days, I'm going to only trade 0 DTE options when I have entries based on the prevailing trend, which is bullish right now on the daily, and I get an intraday signal for a bullish entry, right? So that means there will be fewer entries, but at the same time, it will increase my probability of success and decrease my probability of a loss. So that being said, it will impact the amount of my returns over the 30-day trading period. But when I'm trading roughly 5% of my account per trade, I want to be even more careful than when I'm trading only 1% of my account. Theoretically, I want to be 5 times more careful on my entries and exits because of I'm risking 5 times more than I normally do. Okay, so please comment below your ideas on what rules you use for your 0 DTE option strategies, and I will look into them and possibly incorporate them into what I'm doing. This channel is designed to help educate options traders on how to be more successful. So I implore you to assist me in that effort. Now, I always strive for improvement and to be the best trader I can. And I realize for that to happen, I need to humble myself and learn from other successful traders. So please share in the comments below some of your trading rules so that we might all benefit as a stock option hero community. So that's it for today. Thank you for subscribing and watching all my videos. You are amazing. And most of all, happy trading. Thanks.